السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. مع عربية BMW F30 غيرت الفتيس وهنحتاج نكوده بالأوتوهكس. Hello everybody, now I'm having this BMW F30 and the transmission control module has been replaced, and I will reset the ISN of it with AutoHex. Now I started the car. Press brake, engage gear, and nothing. I will go to BMW. Coding and programming. Make sure that you have internet connection. I prefer to leave the car running for some time. We'll turn the AC off. To get a good voltage while programming TCM. Okay, CASDME ISN manager. To reset EGS 8HP EWS, click on 3, 1 and 2 for DME, 3 for the EGS. Now I will turn the engine off and only the ignition on, and click on 3. This function will reset the EWS for EGS 8HP. Perform EGS programming during the process. You must be connected to internet to use this function. To reset EGS EWS, click on next. Downloading required flash data. Prepare vehicle for flashing and coding. Still having the parking LED on. The head unit, turn it off. We will wait for some time. Still on preparing vehicle for flashing and coding. Now the LED gone. And both of them are off, the cluster and head unit. Raising flash part 1 of 1. Writing flash data on part 1 of 1. There is also a second flash file Notice the time. I know the whole process may take around 15 minutes. Around 15 minutes for the whole process. Now everything is off. Okay, now I will wait for that and come back again. And now it will finish soon. And notice time, verifying flash data, finalizing flash encoding process, still the LED off and everything is off. See, I think with AutoHex it takes much time rather than CGI. Now it is downloading the second file and it will prepare everything and turn off everything and continue to write the second one. Now those only the unit turned off. Nothing should be done right now, and everything will go automatically. Look. I hope this go faster because I'm not connecting anything to the battery. And I don't want to turn on the ignition for this too much time. Now it began to raise. The LED go off because of that. The EGS is not communicating to the GWS at this moment. This file, I believe it will go faster than the other one because it is a smaller file, but we have to wait for it till it finishes. Now I'll wait and come back again. Now it will finish the second one. Look at the time to estimate the time of the whole process. still off. Came back. Should finish now. Dual flashing complete. EGS 8HP EWS reset completed. Please do coding to complete the procedure. Okay. After that, I will turn the ignition off and start the car. Look if it will engage gear or not. Now everything is okay. Then we need to continue and go to individual coding. FEM EGS, try flashing first. I think it needs to be updated. This module is not ready for encoding. Okay, now we will need to go maybe with ESYS. If we calculate a tile and update and code for the EGS, or maybe we can do it with individual programming and update the TCM and try to code it. After that, I will look if I can exit here, individual programming, EGS ECU not compatible, possible flashable. I think the hardware variant is not correct. I think the hardware variant is not correct for this replaced transmission. Okay, I would prefer to do it with ESYS. Okay, now I'm having this BMW F30 and I want to continue programming the transmission with AutoHex. Okay, I will turn the ignition on and continue here, coding and programming. After resetting the ISN, it told me that I came here and try flashing first. So I will go to exit individual programming, ECU not compatible, possible flashable. Okay, this vehicle be flashing, the ECU may make it compatible. However, there's a risk that this module will not functioning. Do you want to continue? Yes. If it doesn't work, I will go with ESYS. يا رب.
بس عليك وصلت كمان وخليك بص عليك وصلت كمان.
If you already hit start, can't communicate with ECU using ENET. Please check OBD connection. You can disable ENET protocol from BMW configurations. What if I click on advanced? Cancel. Back. Back again. Configuration. Back again. Okay, I will close it completely. Open it again. Configurations. BMW configuration. I think I have to check this one. Save. Close. Now it changed. Okay, BMW. Coding and programming. Still communicating. The LEDs on. Individual programming. Go. EGS. Go. Yes. Go. I will see if I will have the same error. ENET, please check your OBD connection. You can disable. Okay. Back, exit, back. I will disable both of them. Configurations, BMW, save, close. Coding and programming. If I can't, I will do it. Okay, if I can't, I will do it with ESYS. So I will go to individual programming. Yes, go. I think now it will go. Now everything went off on the car. And I think we will have some time to wait for this process. To update and code this TCM. Now it began writing the file, and the process is going faster than the resetting the ISN files. This is too fast. Now still no LED and nothing is there. Came on. I will see if it will go with the second file or not. Preparing vehicle for flashing and coding, so it will go with the second one. Encoding part 1 of 1. Dual flashing complete. Okay, module flashing complete, and now it told me that this module is not ready for encoding. Okay, I will go back and try with ESYS. Okay, now I connected the ENIT cable and I will communicate the vehicle, and I will go with ESYS, tile calculating, read and read ECU, expert mode, VCM, read iSteps 315 508. Shipment is 315 502. Three 15 315 502 and calculate, and I will wait for that. While calculating, I'm looking for the EGS, and I already have a CAFT file there without doing anything with ESYS. Have a look there on the EGS. Seems that everything is normal, but at least I will wait for this calculation to see if the hardware element is different or not. I will wait for that. I think if there is a CAFT file on the EGS, so everything should be okay. But on AutoHex, I have errors. ECU is not ready for encoding and those errors. If everything is okay here, I will scan the card to see if this is correct or not. Look here, the hardware element is different for the EGS, but AutoHex already did it, but it just told me that module flashing or programming is complete, but on coding it didn't tell me that. Okay, anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. And this info is after clicking hardware IDs from SVT actual. I got those. Okay.